Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description. To start the motor replacement process for your DYSON SV14, you will first need to gather the necessary tools. Make sure you have a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a plastic prying tool. 1. Prepare the workspace. Clear a flat surface and ensure you have good lighting. This will make your task more manageable. Disconnect the vacuum. Unplug your DYSON SV14 from the mains to ensure safety. Remove any attachments, such as the bin and cleaning head. 3. Remove the main body cover. Using the T15 Torx screwdriver, start by removing the screws located on the back of the main body. There are 5 screws in total. Keep these safe for reassembly. 4. Pry open the cover. Gently insert the plastic prying tool between the body and the cover. Carefully work your way around the edges to pop the cover off without damaging any clips. 5. Disconnect the battery. Locate the battery pack inside the vacuum. You'll find a quick release tab that you can lift to disconnect the battery. This step is crucial to prevent any electrical hazards during the motor replacement. 6. Access the motor. With the cover and battery removed, you'll see the motor assembly. There will be several screws, usually around 4, securing the motor in place. Use your T15 Torx screwdriver to remove these screws. 7. Disconnect the motor wires. Carefully unplug the motor wires from the main circuit board. Make a note of their position for reassembly, or take a quick photo for reference. 8. Remove the old motor. Once the screws and wires are detached, gently lift the motor out of its compartment. Make sure to check for any debris inside the casing that may have accumulated over time. A clean interior will improve the performance of the new motor. 9. Install the new motor. Place the new motor into the compartment, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the motor wires as per your earlier notes or photo. 10. Secure the motor. Replace the screws that hold the motor in place, ensuring they are tightened adequately. 11. Reconnect the battery. Reinsert the battery pack back into its slot and ensure that it clicks into place securely. 12. Reattach the main cover. Align the main body cover with the clips and press down until you hear them click into place. Then, replace the screws to secure the cover. 13. Testing. Before you consider the job done, it's wise to test the vacuum. Plug it in and check that the new motor operates smoothly without any unusual noises. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, alongside collection and delivery at your home. Our service makes it easy, as you won't need to worry about calls or travel. We also provide a quote before any repair work begins, allowing you to make an informed decision. 14. Final touches. Ensure all your tools are put away and the workspace is clean, leaving no parts or screws behind. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced the motor in your DYSON SV14. With the right tools and care, you can keep your vacuum in excellent working order. Need a repair? Collection service available across the United Kingdom. See description.